Time to calm things down a little bit after last week's video. Today we got the 350Z pulled out and actually put into the garage. Got a little bit of TLC I want to do on this thing. Want to start cleaning it up a little bit. So what I actually want to do is the side skirts are a little bit long. See in the front and the back. They stick out just a little bit on both ends, so I want to get them flush. So let's get started. Cannot find the jack stands for some reason, and the bumper is already properly on the ground. So don't be like me, we're just gonna go ahead and run this bad boy as a jack stand. But we're not really going under the car, so I think we'll be okay. And I guess also this is a good first video to break in this creeper my sister got me for Christmas. Oh shit! Next up. This should be pretty simple. As you can see, it's just screwed in there, and it's probably a good thing I'm getting to this because it's not in there very well. Alright, so that's side number one done. As you can see, not too many screws in there, but it's held up pretty well. And we got a little less room to work on this side, but let's get her zipped off. Two done. And it looks like we lost two screws on this side. Haven't seen this car without those side skirts in a long time. Definitely looks weird. While we're at it, I'm gonna go ahead and zip all these screws the rest of the way out just to make measuring and cutting easier. Got all of our rustful screws. Just to make my job a little easier, I grabbed some tape. Go right in, stick her on. Make this hold better. It should be good. So it looks like we are just about at the 74. So I'm gonna have them just a little longer than that because, as you can see, there's some curve in there. So we got the tape measure lined up here, and as we can see, they're 75 inches, just about. A little less, so we'll take about 3/4 inch off this and see how they line up. This is probably not the best way to do it, but the saw's gonna cut it a straight angle no matter what. So this will be our line right here. Let's go ahead and get the other one taped off before we cut. They're just a little bit warped, but it looks like as long as I follow this inner line right here, we'll be trimming about the same amount off both of them, and they should be pretty flush. Got the straight wood cutters on this thing, but we're gonna see how much work she can do to this eBay plastic. This thing's got the custom trash bag mod on the back. We got the giggle goggles on, we're ready to cut. Alright, hopefully this angle's good. First specimen, let's go. Came out pretty clean. A little bit we cut off. Round number 2. Might have taken a little more off this one, but whatever. So I got them laid out as evenly as I could, and we did a pretty dang good job of getting them both the same length. So I'm gonna get these cleaned up, and I'm gonna clean up down here under the side skirts, and we'll get these put back on the car and see how it looks. Shiny. So I'm gonna see quickly if we can just get this mocked up and kind of see what we got going here. This is the end we cut. Not too bad if you ask me. That should be pretty flush when it's held up. Let's go see how the back lines up. So just holding that up, that looks to be pretty much a perfect cut. Obviously, we'll see once this is all tacked in, but I think this is going to be pretty dang good. Not too concerned with putting new holes into the side skirt. I want to make sure I don't re-hit any of the holes that were previously in the actual side skirt on the car, because if any of these screws fall out, where are they going to go? Right into the rear meats. Looks like we got 6 short screws and 14 long screws, so we're going to do 3 short and 7 long on both sides. As you can see, these side skirts aren't that wide, so I do want to make sure I get them out as far as I can. Kind of just hopping between camera views here, but let's see how this goes. Looks lined up pretty good. Feels like that's in there pretty good, so I'm gonna start going down, doing the rest. It's one of those situations I feel like laying on my stomach's gonna work better. Let's go right here. Now is that where things are gonna start to get screwed? Yeah, that's way too far in. See, there's kind of a template to follow here. I guess let's do a middle one first. This is so uncomfortable. See, I don't know if you guys can see, I'm just trying to follow the end of this right here. Wrong way. It's much easier to take this stuff apart than it is to put it back together. Pretty damn good. Honestly, I don't think the passenger side turned out half bad. Take a look at the front. Maybe could have pulled it back just a hair, but I'm kind of fine with how it sits, so let's do the driver's side. Load up our cart. Just took my first casualty with the Reaper. Finger, wheel, not a good combination. Fucking dented. We make do. Alright. Had a little issue here because I had the short screw and didn't grab, just had an extra hole in my side skirt now, but it is what it is. Other than that, looks pretty flawless going all the way down. I think we have a little gap down here, very small. Not gonna be able to see it from above. Fitment on this side's great. Got the passenger side all buttoned up. As you can see, there's no more gaps going down. Looks like I was able to pull it out just a little bit more than I had it before, so looks better in my opinion. Definitely should have done that a lot sooner to this car, probably before I even put these on. I should have measured and trimmed them, but hey, looks a lot better now that it's done. Had to get in the car, it was too windy to keep filming outside, and I know after last week, it seems like we're working on the wrong car in this video, but don't worry, I got some stuff planned for the BMW soon, so thank you for subscribing to make sure you don't miss that video, and if you like this video, make sure you leave a like and comment as well. Check out my other content like these videos here, and I'll see you guys next week.
Yeah, so they get out my way. Yeah, fast in my lane. Yeah, I'm doing my thing. Feeling like I ain't the boss, feeling like I ain't the baller. I can't complain.